In this video, we are featuring this brand new clubhouse inside of this gated community, which is a brand new house development with fitness gym and swimming pool with spacious parking space. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. So we are taking a tour of this brand new clubhouse, or we could say community center or recreation center. So this is a view of the outside. This is also a view of the small kitchen with brand new countertop. There is no stove as yet, and you can see the wall cupboard brand new. So this is a brand new settings where you can see the swimming pool. Yes, the swimming pool is ready for kids, adults, everyone of this community. Here you can see the conference center or the conference room, whatever this is. I don't know what they would call it, but to me this is like a conference room, brand new. There's a view of the outside with the railings and swimming pool. This is a brand new development ready for this gated community. So we are moving along the tour and we are going to, let's see, okay, this is the fitness gym with high-tech fitness machine, high-tech technology. We have treadmill here. I don't know what some of these machines is called, but I can identify the treadmill with a display screen with some high-tech features. So this is the fitness gym, and from my understanding there's more equipment to be added. But so far so good. Everything is looking crispy and nice, brand new, ready to rumble, ready to roll. Yeah, so the fitness gym is very spacious and clean, very crispy. So they're trying to keep everything under one umbrella in this community, where you have the fitness gym, the swimming pool. There's more things to be added, but this is what we are featuring now. So again, this is a great thing for this gated community and this new house development. I think the community will highly appreciate all these facilities, the gym, the swimming pool, the conference room, and many more. This is just a small tour of some of what is here, what I get access to. I think anyone who come and get a house in this community will highly appreciate this clubhouse, our community center, our recreation center. It's very nice, clean, and on the outside we have a lot of space. many parking space. And this is brand new. Brand new. A gated community without a clubhouse or community center wouldn't make any sense. So this is very important, you know, for this community. Take a look right around. Very spacey. There's a lot of new house right around this community center. This is different. This is very unique. This is nice. As you can see, everything here is brand new. I guess this community center clubhouse haven't opened to the community as yet. Very soon, very soon. So just finish, take a tour, look around, tell me what you think, what you like, what you don't like. Is it nice? Just give me your views. And do remember, if this video is educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. I highly appreciate it. It encourages me to do more videos like this. This is our swimming pool, brand new. If you notice, everything I said brand new, because these things are brand new. Haven't used as yet. At this time when I do the video, it haven't used as yet.